talk about some business news now. And Kenya has reaffirmed its commitment to deepening trade and investment ties with the United Arab Emirates during the opening of the UAE-Kenya Investment Forum 2025. The annual forum, which is currently in its 10th year, brings together government officials, private sector leaders and investors from both regions to explore new avenues of cooperation in trade, manufacturing, green energy and services. Speaking at the forum, Trade Principal Secretary Regina Ombam noted that Kenya is set to ratify the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, which will streamline the trade between Kenya and the UAE. Jimmy Bogo has more.
The collaboration between Kenya and the United Arab Emirates over the last 10 years has resulted in the UAE growing to become one of Kenya's key sources of foreign direct investment, standing at $121 million as of December 2024. An equivalent of 15.6 billion shillings. This has also seen the Gulf nations' trade with Kenya increase to $3.4 billion or 448.8 billion shillings worth of trade inflows between the UAE and Kenya in 2024, with significant trade in meat, vegetable, petroleum, machinery and chemicals. It is this trade that the government hopes to deepen through the ratification of the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement.
That we will be going before Parliament on the 13th of this month, that is this week, Thursday, for this ratification exercise. And we pray that from there then it is actually going to unlock the full potential of this agreement. This has really been something that UAE has really been pushing for, because we already know what this agreement means for us in terms of trade and development.
As of today, the UAE is the sixth largest source of foreign direct investment for Kenya, and we think this will continue to grow, and we hope in coming years this can possibly become one of the top three, if not, top, if anything is to go by.
According to Abdallah Sultan, the CEO of the Sharjah Chamber of Commerce, the Kenya-UAE trade mission has evolved into one of the most attractive bilateral engagements between the Gulf and Africa, resulting in over 31 companies investing in the country. The private sector players are also calling on the government to make it easier for Kenyan MSME companies to take advantage of the growing global trade and inviting investors to tap into Kenya's thriving SME economy.
There are more than 120 MOU has been signed between both private sector. There are more than 3,500 B2B meetings happen in this East African journey, Kenya and Uganda.
You can scale some of the smaller SMEs that are probably struggling for one thing or the other. Either they are lacking adequate resources or adequate capital or adequate technical know-how. And really some of you who are in that space can look at how you can partner with some of our SMEs and scale and position yourselves, as John has asked, if you're not in Kenya, where are you? Because this is a springboard to the rest of the African continent in terms of growing your business and springing into the AFCFTA opportunity.
The government has urged investors for greater private sector collaboration, deepening economic reciprocity and accelerated investment in Kenya's infrastructure and green industrialization agenda. Jimmy Bogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.